Komiti matayo chenro mag twak e kind piny owacho mar Kenya Kwanza kod kweth mar Azimio One Kenya Alliance oyango kinde mabiro konyogi e weche mag twak. Jo Kenya Kwanza opwodho Mudhomi Thankolu ka obiro tiyo kod Paul Mwangi ma ochwal kod kweth mar Azimio One Kenya Alliance. Jokoma komiti mar twak George Murugura kod Otiende Amolo oloro ni gisegoyo kang' e chenro mag twak. Kata kamano giwacho ni okegego ibiro yangi juma manyien.
The Kenya Kwanza side has nominated Dr. Mudhomi Thankolu, an advocate of the High Court of Kenya, as the joint secretary from that side.
On the issue of formalization, we have postponed the substance of that discussion to next week. We have explored some of the various issues around it. The first issue is whether it could be a parliamentary process. The second issue is whether it could be by executive gazettement under Article 131 of the Constitution. The third issue is whether it can be what we call sui generis, where it is dealt with outside of Parliament and outside of the executive, involving the public, and then once it is settled,